The third-party access screen allows you to go ahead and create access codes for both drivers as well as facilities. This enables drivers working for third parties to fill out station logs on site that will automatically integrate with LoadCall without having to create them proper LoadCall accounts and passwords and everything. So in here, you can go ahead and click on the new user access code, and you can go ahead and give them an access code. This will need to be unique from every other driver, and then you can go ahead and type in the driver's name and then the carrier or operator they're running under. After you create those, you can go ahead and edit them or delete them if you want to. But we're going to use demo 1 in our example in a little bit, so remember that. Over here in this tab, we can also create access codes for our specific facilities here. So I've already gone ahead and created one in here for our example facility, but let's go ahead and create another one here. So we'll go ahead and do test well, and we'll use test as the access code. So after creating it, I can go ahead and edit it or delete it, but more importantly, you can access this link right here. So if I take this link and I open it up in a new tab, you'll see that we have a page that shows up that you can put on the type in the URL on a tablet or something on site. And if I go ahead and put in that demo 1 access code, rather than having to put in a full username and password, somebody could go in on site, you give them this code, and they can go ahead and say they're unloading or loading into the station. So if I click on that, it'll pull up a form where they would put in, and a lot of the stuff is automatically preset. They're unloading into the test delivery station on behalf of this carrier with this driver, but they can go ahead and fill in these measurements, and it'll automatically calculate net barrels if you're running crude and some other things like that, and then submit it. And if you do that, those station logs will actually show up in here in the history. So if we come into this history right here, you can see that this is a station log. And if I go into the full history, which we'll go over in another video, but if I go into the full history here, we can see a station log filled out. In this case, I'm going to view this station log. And in here, you'll see all of the measurements that this individual put into the system when they went on site and did that.